Hi, hello. In this CCNA networking series, we going to see Ethernet headers. Okay, so how data, how data moves around between the switches and connect and end host connected to them to their router. Okay, so how in OSI model data, so data link layer in the Ethernet, how we going to work, we're going to see. Okay, so the layer, how in this, how switch receive and forward frames, especially in Ethernet. Sorry, specifically so we can look the actual content of this Ethernet header. Okay, so Ethernet, we're going to see the Ethernet header, not a trailer, but I will draw a whole picture today. Okay, so Ethernet header. Ethernet trailer. Okay, left. So it starts with a preamble. SFD, and destination. Okay, this is trailer, source and type. Right? FCS. Yes, today we're going to see the Ethernet header. Okay, so there are 5 fields. Okay, the 5 fields in the header. Okay, so the first field is preamble and SFD, so which means starts the frame delimiter. Okay, These are used to synchronization and allow the receiving device to be prepared, okay, to receive the rest of the data in the frame. Okay, so now it's the destination layer. So the layer second address which used to being sent. Okay, so in this destination layer 2 address which the frame is being sent. So the final field is header. Final field in the Ethernet header is type. Okay, so it indicates the layer 3 protocol used in the encapsulated packet, which is almost always internet protocol. Okay, it indicates the layer 3 protocol. It indicates layer 3 protocol. Okay, sometimes this is the length field indicating the length of the encapsulated data depending upon the version of the internet. Okay, so these are the internet headers. Okay, so I hope you have learned this internet headers, what is what. Okay, okay, so if you have any doubt or if you want to learn any detailing, okay, join the class. Or if you have any doubt, leave the doubts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Okay, thank you students, thank you.